Today we're going to make a custom flower with the help of XTool Flower Generator. So if you want to check it out, check it now. Here I am at XTool Studio and this is the flower generator. Let's click on it and here is the flower. You can customize it how you like it. So here we have the options to pick the flower. I like this one, number 11. So let's keep it. Here if we click here, then we can change the leaves. Pick the one you like. You can also adjust the size. So I will pick these. I like these. Here we can change the position of the bottom leaf. And here I can change the top leaf, the position of the top leaf. Here I can change the size of the leaf, the top one. And here I can change the size of the bottom leaf. Here we can change the length of the stern. And if I click on the letters where it says love, it can be customized as well to whatever you want. Make it your name. And at the bottom here, we can change the font style. So, for example, your name can be here, but I will do the one with love today. So pick the font, whatever you like. Let me see which one I like. So there's enough to pick here. Yes, I think I like this. I will go for this one. The font size can be changed as well. And also the letter spacing can be changed to make it more wider or narrow, however you like. And the outline can be changed also. So I will pick my preferences, 15 minus 3 and the font size of 95. And I will change the size of the flower, and there is one free export each month to be used. So I have one left. I think I'm going to change the flower size. I want the head to be bigger. So I will change the position a little bit. Yeah, that should be it. Export to canvas. So here it is on the canvas, and I will change it to use the slide extension to make it my workspace taller, and I will make it a little bit bigger so it fits 2 layers on one canvas here. And I will be using plywood. And I will change the settings a little bit, make the speed at 3 and the power is at 100, and let me auto measure speed at 3 and the pass at 1. So here we have the plywood. Let me adjust the position of the flower. So let's start the process. Start. That didn't went well. I've cancelled the task because the plywood catch some fire and it was starting to burn inside. So the outcome wouldn't be nice and I've cancelled the task. So I will adjust the settings and change the power to 90 and I will increase the speed a little bit. I will increase it to 4. So let me refresh the background so you can see what happened. Look at it. The flower catch some fire and it's looking black from the burning marks. So I will change the position of the flower a little bit under it and then I can start with the second round. Hopefully it doesn't catch fire now. And I will ungroup it, by the way, and make the flower bigger and do it in 2 separate pieces. So first I will do the top layer, and when that is successful I will do the bottom layer afterwards. So then we have 2 separate layers. Instead of one small flower it will be a bigger flower. And I will change the output. So this one will be cut. And let me start the process. That's looking good. Start. Finished. That's looking good. I will refresh the background so you can see what happened. I think a single cut successfully cut through. Here it is. It's look great. And I will change the output off and the output on for the bottom layer. And I will change those positions. And after this I will flip the plywood, of course. And then starting to cut the second layer. Okay, let me auto measure it. I flip the plywood. That's it. And let's keep the settings the same. I will move this a little bit to the top so we don't waste any material. Power is at 90, speed it for 1 pass, and I start the process. So start. Complete. That look great. A successful single cut through. So we have the bottom layer and the top layer, and I will put it together. Let me refresh the background so you can see what happened. Here it is. Nice single cut. I will take it out. Here I have the result. This is the bottom layer. That looks very nice. I hope you guys can see it. And here I have the top layer. This one is harder to see, I guess. The bottom and the top layer. So I will glue it together in a minute. That look beautiful. Look at this beautiful double layered flower. You can customize it however you want. Change your name, change the flower, change the leaves, change the size, whatever you like. And I will give them some color. I have a green marker and a red marker. And let's see what happened. If you have any tips how to make them more beautiful, let me know it in the comments. And here I have the result with colors, and you can use whatever material you like, to either acrylic paint or markers or pencils, whatever, or don't color them and leave it how it is. And here is the result. Beautiful. It's glued together and colored. So how do you like it? The love sign also. That was the cut out part from the name. Look beautiful. And what do you think? What do you want to see? Let me know it in the comments. Should I use acrylic paint or something else? Let me know it in the comments.